With all the panels removed, you can now access the PCBs and inverter panel, the incoming power supply and booster heater, and field wiring cables. After wiring the EcoLink power hub, you make the connections on the side of the heat pump. The main incoming power for the heat pump is made on the first two terminals. The backup heater is the second two terminals. Your 240 volt field wiring connections are made on the side of the heat pump. There's 4 cables in most situations with a hot water tank and buffer tank with an earth. 15 is your permanent live, 14 is your neutral, 12 is the heat demand, and 21 is the 3-port valve switch. The low voltage connections are made on the PCBs on the top of the heat pump. Your first one being the connector for the touchscreen. It connects into the AP2 board on that terminal. The second one is the tank sensor. It connects onto the AP1 board in that terminal.